everybody, welcome to my video. I am Tanveer Fatima, your Max mentor. In this video, we are discussing the problems of pair of linear equations in two variables for class 10th, exercise 4.2. As I already discussed introduction and concept of this chapter in my previous video. Now, here we are discussing second concept of this chapter, that is algebraic method. In that we have substitution method and elimination method. Upon these we are solving two problems. Okay. Let's see the solution. Let their salaries be 9x and 7x, 2% salaries, and their expenditure be 4y and 3y. Here we have to find out income of two persons. Now according to the question, 9x minus 4y equals to 2000, 7x minus 3y equals to 2000. First and second equation. Okay. Here we are solving with a method of substitution. Substitution word itself says you have to substitute, means you have to replace one equation to another. Either you can replace first equation to second or second to 1, x to y or y to x. Here what I am doing, from equation 1 I am converting in this equation to x form. If you remember the graph problem how we have solved, like that. The graph problem was y form. Here I am going with the x form. Okay. Applying a substitution method. Applying substitution method. Okay. From equation 1 I am solving. From equation 1. What is equation 1? 9x minus 4y equals to 2000, right? Write this equation in x form. So 9x should be written here this side, 4x towards right side, and this minus 2000. Okay, x should be alone, so let it be in a divide. Multiply will becomes divide. Then 4y minus 2000 we got in x form. If you remember in my explanation I said you for the graph in a y form, or this also you can write in a y form. I have written in x form, you can write in y form also. This is your equation 3. Now what we are doing, I am substituting this equation in second. Okay, substitute x equals to 4y minus 2000 by 9 in equation 2. Second equation you have to substitute, student. See what is the second equation I am writing? 7x minus 3y equals to 2000. Now where is x? Substitute 4y minus 2000 by 9 means complete equation will be in a y form. Okay, equals to 2000. Very easy, very simple. Once you practice you will get this. Now 7 multiplied throughout this. Okay, 28y minus 7 2s are 14 divided by 9 minus 3y equals to 2000. What about 9 here? It's like a LCM. So this 9 should be multiplied throughout the equation. 28y minus 1000 sorry, minus 9 3s are 27y equals to 9 2s are 18. What I am doing? I am doing multiplying throughout the equation 9. Now where is y? 28, 27. It will become 1y. And minus 14, and that side it is 18. So please bring that plus 18 to this side. Becomes minus 18. Clear? Now y equals to 14 4,000. See students, here 4y minus, if you bring that side 4y will be plus. But this sign won't change, no, it is plus only. The sign won't change. So coming to here, it's plus, this is plus, so 28y plus, this is also plus. So plus 14,000 minus 18 will be 4,000. Now we got our y value. Y value is 4,000. Now you can substitute this y equals to 4,000 in equation 3. If you substitute in equation 3, you will get x value. 4y plus 2000 divided by 9. 4 into 4000 plus 2000 divided by 9. X is equals to 4 into 4000 will be 16. 4 4s are 16. How many zeros? 3 zeros. Plus 2000 divided by 9. Now you add 18. 1 8 18. How many zeros? 3 zeros. 1 2 3 divided by 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 1 2 3. Now x value 2000. Clear? We got the values for x and y, students. Now we have to find out income. What we said, income, that is salary. Income nothing but salary. Let the salary be 9x and 7x. Right? Here we have to substitute 9x and 7x. Clear? Continue. Therefore, salary of first person. How much? 9x. How much an x is? 2000. 9 2s are 18. So amount is rupees 18,000, salary of first person. Then salary of second person, 7x. 7 into 2, 2000. It is 14,000 rupees. Clear? Students, check the second question. The sum of a 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. If the digits of the number differ by 2, find the number. How many such numbers are there? Clear? We have to find out how many numbers are there which 2-digit sum is 66 and reversing also it should be 66. Okay? Let us see now. Check the solution. Let the 2-digit be x and y. We don't know. So we have written x and y. Number of the second digit. Second digit means 10 digit. Second digit will be in a tens place. That's why 10 into x plus y. Then sum of the 2 digit and reverse of it. 10x plus y plus 10y plus x equals to 66. This is given. Clear? 10 into x means 10x plus 10y. Here is 10x and this is 10y. Sum of the 2 digit. If you have not understood, I can explain you more clear. Let the 2 digit means x plus y plus sum of the second digit is x plus y equals to 66. Now you open this bracket here. This is 10x plus 10y equals to 66. Right? Now what is x and this is 10x. This has become 11x plus 11y equals to 66. 11 is common. This is x plus y equals to 66. X plus y equals to 66 by 11. 11 1s are 11, 11 6 are 66. Therefore, x plus y equals to 6. This is your first equation. Now, from the equation, it differ by 2. Differ means minus. X minus y equals to 2. Fine. And now what I am doing, here I am using an elimination method. Y means, see, eliminate means cancel. You can observe in the equation 1 plus y, in equation 2 minus y. If you go with the elimination method, it is very simple and easy. You can go with the substitution also. But we will apply here elimination method. Apply elimination method. Okay. Now solving equation 1 and 2. X plus y equals to 6. X minus y equals to 2. Clear? This two cancels. This method you know earlier in our first exercise. This method is called elimination method. Okay. Now plus will become minus. Plus will become minus. Clear? No need of, no need of changing the sign. Or without changing the sign, we cancel y. Okay. Sorry for this. 2x equals to 8. X is equals to 8 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 fours are 8. Therefore, x is equals to 4. Clear? We got one value, means one number for x. What I am doing now? I am substituting this x is equals to 4 in equation 1. Therefore, substitute x is equals to 4 in equation 1. See here I am using a word substitution. Means when we are going with the elimination method, substitution word is also coming. Right? Now x plus y equals to 6. In place of x 4. I am substituting in 1. You can substitute in 2 also. Your wish. The answer will be same. Y equals to 6 minus 4. Y equals to 2. We got 2 and 4. Fine. Let the two digits be x, we said, no? Let the number be 42 or 24. Ones place you can write on, I am writing here, see. Ones place x, that is 4, and tens place, that is y, is 2. Now number will become 42. Clear? If you reverse, the number will become 24. Clear? If you add both these, you will get 66. Getting my point? So we are getting two numbers. We are getting two numbers, that is 42 and 24. Clear? Thank you.